Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make mixed fruit jam today. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. To begin with, chop down all the fruits you have into tiny chunks and add it into a pot. I have added apple, oranges, kiwi and banana. You can go ahead and also add other fruits like papaya, strawberries, etc. Add some sugar and salt. Also squeeze some lime juice. Mix all these ingredients and cook it on a low to medium flame. Do not add water. As the sugar starts caramelizing, the fruits start oozing out their juices as well. Cook it covered for about 5 minutes and keep checking if the fruits have gotten softer. Let it cook for about 15 minutes altogether and then turn off the flame and let it cool down. Once it has cooled down, transfer everything into a blender and blend well, and then again put it back into the same pot. Again, do not add water in any of the process. Cook it well until everything thickens. On a medium flame itself for about 5 to 8 minutes. The jam starts bursting bubbles when it gets thicker. When this happens, turn off the flame and let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, transfer the mixed fruit jam into an airtight container. You can refrigerate this jam for more than a month. I hope you found this recipe useful and you will try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.